some money for the road. Now I'm about to call up some horse. I'm moving through with my pole. Fuck around and take a soul. Swallow like a fool. Anywhere I go, they ain't safe. Got some youngest ready to step on your face with a straight. Shout out the kid that bought and play. Pull up shooting shit like he play. Call him on way. The boy shit the face. He take fucking face.
I got one, but that was the last one I'm gonna get. That one hurt.
Yeah, right there.
Right here, hurt. And then right here on the bone, right here, it hurt.
¿Y por qué tú no tienes tatuajes?
Yo tengo tatuajes, pero pequeños.
The one he talking about is hard as fuck. He talking about the one me and you made.
Oh.
Yeah, me and her made a song.
So listen both of them.
We can hear the one me and her made. But the other shit though, that shit for the birds, bro.
Drunk a few, stumbled on some pavement. We live on, yeah, through long lessons. From in the rain.
Chase dreams every day, trying to make a way. It was just the other day when I was stressing about some pay. It's okay, stay down. I was lost, now I'm found. And they fucking with my sound. I feel like Mike Tyson, I can go a couple rounds. I can't give up, nah, I can't let up. Remember back then, fucking with the wrong crowd. I had got into a setup, trying to focus on my health with the cause that I was dealt. Ain't complaining, I'm grateful I maintain it. I've been walking by myself through the streets and it's been raining. I'm really out the city, so they feel what I've been talking about. Ain't never graduated with a diploma, I just dropped out. Can't judge me for my actions, I've been talking just to God now.
I've been talking just to God now. I've been talking just to God. I hate how this city made me. It can have back what it gave. Though its lessons may have saved me, I can't forget it. No, I can't forget it. No, I can't forget it. I'm done trying.
That's how it goes.
In there.
Get up, nigga. Get up, nigga. Get up, nigga.
Just wanna see me in the dirt, please. Jiggle like Jake, like chopper, get that click box. Baby mama, he shot her in the block, like glass. You know my niggas spinning, all my niggas spinning. No, we ain't grinning. Find a nigga in the body, looking up PC spinning. All my niggas, they be spinning until it finish. Remember kids that was shopping this and how to get that spinning. Now a nigga running it up and getting to the business. I see niggas want to see me down, but know that ain't gon' happen. Get some turtles on the feeling, you know that they be inside. So you're so steady talking, you know that they really got talking, but I they be cutting these shit and he ain't happen. I never heard a fucking word. Pussy niggas be urgent, moving slimy, I so concerned. Say hit him and then they're on the floor wiggling like worms. They can't afford to fuck with you, you similar to germs. From nowhere, I see you moving like you see you sick like birds. Gotta stay 10 toes above my drip, it's not like firm. Remember days I didn't know that now a nigga get that check. Trying to strap up on the paper, trying to make this shit like that. Just wanna see me in the dirt, please. Jiggle like Jake, and chopper, get that kick back. Baby mama, he shot her in the block like glass. You know my niggas spinning, all my niggas sinning. No, we ain't ready, find a nigga in the body.
Teaching me about the other day. And then yo, this kept popping in as if it were one of Kendrick's lyrics. I was like, wait a minute, this ain't him.
Okay, man, I see now. I see.
I was like, wait a minute, that's not Kendrick.
Hey, alright, fine. I send one in there and you play that one.
This Rick right here. Brick. Brick. You gonna hear it. Yeah.
Bitch. Yeah. You wanna fight nigga? Then round. Stop on niggas, call me Captain Brick. Niggas they be capping, if they say it, if they Captain Brick. Never catch me lacking with that strap, I'm like a faggot bitch. Niggas might get canceled after this, I'm on my savage shit. You don't wanna fight, not get it. You don't fight, man, you beat bitches and you ain't shoot shit since the military. Why you keep talking about pistols? When I spit bitches like missiles, you gon' need a dome to save from this one. Yo, niggas don't even fuck with you, surprise my bitch, how do you fuck with you? But I get it though, when you is a hoe, it ain't a dick you ain't getting. And I fucked up my play, I seen the bitch, I was getting off from the beginning. But nigga, you think that a bitch is the reason I'm mad? You trippin', you fucking my daughter, my nigga, you tryna put fear in her heart, my nigga, don't think that you getting laid off, it's up. You ain't that tough. I bet that shit run up. And that cell, I bet that nigga fucking your ass like that Diddy went through to a gunner. Keep on playing with children, my nigga. I'm going fuck around and calling my gunners. Know some niggas you ran off on, that nigga you was riding inside of that hunter, my nigga. You better pray Kelly and save you. Like a father, come here, let me raise you. If a man say you push while you banging your savior, you supposed to send him to the angels. If a nigga say fading me, calling your hands, you supposed to show him how to tango. But I know that you pussy, you always be pussy, no matter you hang with Gango. Key man, bitch, you need a kid to get your ass about that jail. Bitch, you need a kid to sell to go pay off that bail. You might need a key to snip, cause all them perks ain't doing shit. My DM ain't gave you keys, cause your bum ass ain't have a whip. Every dog gon' have a day, but I'm feeling like Muhammad, nigga. I said that before, you should have known this shit was coming. I know that you used to it, but this time it ain't no running. Crime and turn to a gangsta nigga, fuck no, I'm calling all the bluffing. I know all the boys at the park, they just wanna be respected. Don't nobody wanna be on the other side of the slide. When niggas start sliding down in your direction. Yeah, the bitch turned the bully, I think that nigga got problems, but it's okay, cause nobody had gave direction to him. Heard your dad was a real nigga, they say that apple don't fall too far from the tree, so niggas say what happened to you. A kid brain in a man body, the person that you did, probably I get in the past, it's so effective on you. That's why you went to the army to get respect, but couldn't finish your term. The drugs were so invested on you. Came home and then bummed out, got kicked out your mom's house, was sleeping on one's couch, go live on your own now. You say the money coming, but can't buy your own phone, nigga. You say the money coming, but ain't pushing your own will. You say you a pimp and always be bragging about slapping bitches, but always be acting different when niggas get active with you. Didn't know the military taught you tactics on beating women. I hope the prison cell you in is helping you seeing different. When we was in school, they used words to abuse. I got a couple L's fighting with a couple dudes, but when it came to you, knuckles almost never used. All I ever saw was tears, conflict always troubled you. I hate to be the nigga that's gon' have to murder you. I hate to be the nigga that's gon' have to murder you. I hate to be the nigga that's gon' have to murder you. I hate to be the nigga that's gon' have to murder you.
Yeah, little bro. What's the name? What's the name? What?
Jizzy 427.
Jizzy 427.
Say that one more time, man.
Hey.
Jizzy 427 in the building. I'm
We in there.
Hey, we still in the city with this shit, bitch ass nigga. You know where we at?
Up in this car, nigga, they all got sweet sisters talking shit and we gon' send them to the graveyard. I ain't in the internet, I'm in letting them things off. All that tough talking, nigga, that's gon' get your face gone. She seen what I pull up and she thinking it's a race car. Ran into the plug and put the team on with my face card. Nigga name for breezing, he be ready for the spray song. Don't look up in my cup too much, you knowin' that it's muddy. She mad cause I told her I wanna fuck her and her buddy. Remember days when I was walking, nigga, now I'm pushing buttons. Spitting fire in the booth, nigga, like a dragon in the dungeon. Nigga speak on 427, he get wrapped up like a mummy. And niggas know I'm having balls, you could always get a honey. Just don't tell no lies and just keep it 100. I could barely look at her eyes cause I know this shit be blunt. But actually fall down for a hoe, you know that I can't love her. I don't really give a fuck about nothing, nigga. DBG get money. We just gon' get money. Trap it just like bunnies. Nigga try to rock, get put on the runway. And my cup ain't gon' stay money. And every day be living. Cause the trap is gon' stay jumping just from Monday through Sunday. We don't play with guns, we just do gunplay. From them catch you sleeping with them throwaways. Catch you sitting there in my pocket just like Notre Dame. Can't be mad, yo bitch, with it, I ain't even know the days. I ain't even know the bro. Bring me all the banks cause we be swiping cards. But don't get it twisted, still riding with rods. Speak on 427, send them strikers, knock you out. We gon' shop for shop, we don't get in that bar for bar. Speak on 427, send this princess to God. Nah, it really ain't shit, just swipe your card to fuck your bride. Nah, it really ain't shit, I pull up fingers out the car with a big bag wood, nigga looking at the stars. Thugging at the spot, nigga with 100 plays, with 100 stains, I've been serving all day. I could get you gone for a little bit of change. I could get you gone, nigga, get you out the way. Put that on phones, I'ma always keep it silent. Claiming 427, nigga, catch you in body. Cause I been smoking ops all day like it's exotic. I don't never have no time for them hoes. Bitch, I'm on a private. Bitch, I'm on a PJ. Bitch, I'm really flying. She asked me how I get her. I tell her I just fly. Ballin' like I'm D-Wave and I won't ever stop it. Put that on my mama with the hardest. At a to his face, he looking strange. I'm speaking on my name, we bring the flame to him. I hope them pussy niggas know over here it get dangerous. Them niggas go for they too lame, they can't hang with us. I got whatever for my killer, what's the payment? Put one of these pussy niggas up under the pavement. I'm off the Patron for the phone when I'm drinking. Should I get behind me and me in the couch racing? My dogs that I love them if they ever come and take. Ain't no love in these streets, only violence and hatred. Tell me that she love me, that she fuck me like she crazy. Really, I got bags on the table with some order.
work the day shift. Give a fuck about these bitches, money got me so complacent. But I'm not complaining. I've been rolling off this perky, bitch, I'm like some Daisy. Big ass watch, bust down, some you ain't heard of. Need my cash right now, I'm at the commercial. We do not let clowns up in our circle. One like it with us, go catch a murder him. How the fuck he thinks that we ain't heard of him? Strapped up with a whole bunch of shit that you ain't heard of. Sticks, nigga, he goes on the ground and we gon' spin again. Bitch, nigga, we play with them sticks like we was in the end. In the wind, make a move and he go in the wind. Did a dance, all the packages we been getting in. I don't like to fight, go pull them guns out. Thinking that I'm pussy, please wait to get you gunned down. I don't wanna top it out, bitch, bring them funds out. Counting up this money, only way I been having fun now. Looking at a bad bitch while I watch the sun go down. Niggas bringing up game, but won't know y'all. Knowing I could get them gone for a little bit of change. Get them thrown out the way. On a whole other state, on a whole nother island. $35 million guys only fly private. But I'm still in the field, in the play like Mike Tom. Knowing I do a drill on a nigga if it's a problem. Pull up, hop out on the curb and get them all gone. No, I don't wanna talk, just put a nigga in my styrofoam. What is here, point it down straight to my kidneys. Don't wanna talk about love, but I miss when we were kids. Or maybe that's just these drugs, they got me in my feelings.
We gon' let our profits suffer. They make a profit off us, then make a mockery of us. All my African brothers never look after each other. Dope game of slave trade where we capture each other and put our revenue on the shirt when we capture each other. We products of environment that we can't get out of, so we dine in. Cause we feel violence, more than we feel the violence. You gotta stand on the block if you wanna make a stand. Never take the stand, Bible to the right hand. And he gon' be high before the night ends. Some of my friends get down and dirty, sipping on 40s and die before 30. I'm being honest, I'm just being honest. The voice of the people, I've been being modest. We've never been equal. They try to marginalize us and blindside us and appropriate the culture. They say we don't influence the culture. You gotta be kidding me. When you look around the world, we the epitome. We who they pretend to be, nigga. And if you not black, don't say it. Not even under your breath in the song that you singing, nigga. Nigga, this one's for my niggas. Niggas, what's good, my nigga? Nigga, won't you sing along with us? Nigga, this one's for my niggas. Niggas, what's good, my nigga? Niggas, won't you sing along with us? This for my niggas. Niggas, what's good, my nigga? Nigga, won't you sing along with us? Nigga, this one's for my niggas. Niggas, what's good, my niggas? Niggas, won't you sing along with us? I don't mean to be so aggressive. I'm trying to teach you a lesson. If you feel like you have to say in your discretion, should it be in your discussion? Everybody wanna be black too, it's time for repercussions. I can't drive without the interruptions, or can't live without an addictive substance. I'm not saying we victims, I'm saying they make victims of us. Created projects, kept us boxed in, sold us crack. Tried to kill us when we sold it back. When mama's baking soda bag, now we got Birkins. I put my faith in my burden and turned into churches. God bless all the tribe niggas.
I'm just doing my riding dirty. I'm in the mud riding dirty. Baby, she riding my cotton Gillette. She wanna pull over and burn me. And that pussy, how much you go for it? And I don't got a type, but she foreign. And I love that she funny, not boring me. And she playing, I leave on red and then laugh at her ass when she say you ignore me. Drugs, wasted. Your advice, you can tell me I'm waiting. Don't be shy, I can tell that you thinking about all of the things that I do if you say it. Love, it's crazy. I can't feel me like you keep on playing. I be chill now, I don't need it. So where if you scared, don't try to come save me. I know you wanna get crazy. I love it when you watch your body, baby. We're so toxic, I'm sorry. I can't wait for you long. I've been dipping in the waters, exploring some other safaris. I love chasing, but lately it feels like I'm tired. I'm trying to catch up to Chicago. Trying to catch up to Chicago. I've been working, ain't got time to party. Too many hoes been around me. I know I'm a easy, I might just go for it. And I do.
We gon' all get together and rap. Roll it up like a burrito. Get into that stupid piece of rap. Yeah. I got the dough. I roll it up in, make me a flower. Put your tea up. Yeah. I'm an auntie, but they call me Tia. Yeah. Yeah. One day I'ma go with me and the heat. Yeah. Then I'ma go and say yeah. Wouldn't wanna be yeah. I'm good being me. And that is
Pretty little hoe still dance on my job. Spoke with you when I didn't have my own room. I would just leave you with a blanket in the cot. Stayed outside, make it to the top. Top ramen, take it through it in the pot. About the action, got red spots on the Air Force, just like pop. No playboy, but we had it outside. Never mind that, I've been chillin', nigga. Living the good, I've been chillin', nigga. Not gonna stop till I finish, nigga. Fucking that bitch till I finish with her. This Caligram, how I paint the picture. I'm a pretty nigga when you have to mention. Fuck the police, how they make us victims. You try my brother, but he beat the system. I know racism ain't systematic. I feel like it should've never happened. Stop the madness and stop the acting. So I go ahead, put my camera down. Oh, I'm off.
But they said he got a job. Yo, music video and everything. It's JY.
Face in the pool full of alcohol, wonder how many problems that I can solve. It started way back playing basketball. A couple gunshots fired at the park, running off, but I dropped the ball. I don't wanna get caught up. Know too many niggas are riders. Know too many niggas get buried up. Know too many niggas get locked up and then out the pen like now you a burden. Sipping on that bourbon, nigga, I'm swerving. My life ain't meant to be perfect. Yeah, sent her a picture, she called me a catfish. I told her I look better in person, but you can't catch me because I always be working. Said you don't know me, but I know you be lurking. Let her offer the warning. Chillin' with tea, and this week got me coughing. Feel like a zombie, I'ma come out the coffin. Quiet like time, we don't do all the talking. Too many girls try to reach in my pockets. She getting mad cause I'm holding my profits. So many flows, I feel red like Loch Ness or a leprechaun. I clear ball with my balls almost like a minigun. Run, nigga, run, or we can get it done. Pussy niggas think we doing it for fun. Nah. Yeah. Don't fuck with my move. Don't fuck with my move. Don't fuck with my move. Don't fuck with my Don't fuck up my mood, don't get it misconstrued. I don't wanna pity fools. I'm feeling fresh and new from head to shoe. A new album coming soon. Nigga, I'm hexed, you know. Just like Pinocchio, I gotta tell the truth. Nigga, I'm vexed. You think you'll make it too? You really don't have a clue. Gotta confess, you think you're part of the crew. I've never spoken to you. I'm not in that wise. Who you think is God? What's up in the sky? Why you worried about it? We all gonna die. It don't matter. I see blue skies. Walk up in those skywalkers. Not much of a talker. I do not listen unless it got something to do with dollars. I'm a baller. Give me the beat and then I'ma slaughter. Dissect the person just like a doctor. She gave me time with the slobber. She rolled my dick with no rubber. I had to stop her acting a fool and she need an Oscar. Niggas act funny like I'm a popper. Don't run up on me cause I'm a brawler. I'ma kick you just like soccer. You not humble child, tell me where your honor. I don't need y'all niggas, but thanks for the offer. Yeah. These bitches like demons can't come to the altar. She just need altars to alter her mind state. Hold up. All of my niggas out catching them bodies. They don't care much about the crime rate. What if my niggas die getting that money? I wonder what would they moms think. They put the memory on the Prezi, then get the music and sing. Whoa, that shit too deep, let it sink. Whoa, might miss the truth if you blink. Please don't end up getting hoodwinked. Niggas don't have 2020 and 2020 getting litty at the club scenes. se las de definar exigiendo Genesis. Estamos pa' pasarnos, también pa' pasarla clean. Y en el jacuzzi se botan los pussy. Es un party exclusive, también sobra el pussy. La que quiera irse, que la coja easy. Que llame más amigas, que se le pague el taxi. Y en el jacuzzi.
I just grab a pen and paper and then I slide right in. I got too much on my mind, I don't know where to begin. Should I talk about my mama? Should I talk about my girl? Should I talk about my brother? Should I talk about my nerves? I done lost so many people and it's really starting to hurt. I'm tired of working 9 to 5s, it's driving me so crazy. Stressing on the daily, wanna put the all black on, run inside a nigga garage. Do that Benz and I'ma take it, dawg. This pain inside my body got me feeling so damn flawed. I know that I'm that nigga, I can't even compete with y'all. Tryna put me on the same scale as you, boy you crazy. You better I'll just put me right next to your lady on Swayze. Nigga, I can do this shit with my eyes closed. And I'm that nigga, you know that I'm that nigga. I got you in the moment, now it's feeling just like time froze. And I was chosen for this, that's why they hating on the kid. You can go and ask my mama, I've been rapping since a child. You can catch her in the crowd, these pussy niggas hating. I'ma pull up, it's gon' blow. Go and wake the neighbors, now they asking what's that sound. Now they asking what's that sound. They kick me to the floor, I pick myself up with my crown. You thought that I was playing, nigga, I ain't playing around. I've been drowning in my tears, it's been happening for years. They want me to get on some trap shit, but bitch, I ain't no trapper. I'm a certified real nigga, I'm a certified real rapper. I'm a certified real liquor, I just rob it and say thank you. Watch this pretty boy come and get you, see what them corny jokes gon' get you. See what them corny jokes gon' get you. I gotta keep on thugging, I gotta keep on pushing. When I make $1 million, I'ma have you people looking. This is pain, struggle, hustle, what you witnessing right here. I know my time is coming, I can feel it, it's so near. Matter of fact, I think it's here. 50 bands up in my pocket, and they right next to the rocket. Now watch me disappear, I can see it, it's so clear. They want me to rap about fucking bitches from the back. What type of retarded shit is that? Then you claiming that you gutted, cause you clutching on the gutter. Shit, I got me one of them too. My dog was crashing, now he took his pistol to the school. Don't affiliate with him, but I be wanting to catch him too. I be thinking about him. Me and him was from the apartments. Know what I'm talking about? We take the trash to the dumpster. Wildin' as a youngster, I pulled her to the crib with some new shoes. Got my mama wondering where I got them. She asked me if I bought them. I ain't even say too much. I just said that I had spot them. Fucked around and then I got them. And that's just what it is when you coming from the bottom.
Yeah. It's the one.
Don't even talk to me.
It's the one. It's the one. It's the one.
Don't get it mistaken. You see me turned up, but this shit took some patience. Remember back then I was broke, couldn't buy me no fragrance. Now they all on my dick and it don't make no damn sense. We come from the back end, I'ma take off with rap in. Gon' give me some money and upgrade my fashion. You little niggas past tense. Told my little partner to watch his surroundings. And people be capping. A whole lot of niggas be basic as fuck, but I swear I'm not average. I'm still in the city. And fuck what they talking, but I'm thuggin', I still got my dickies. Them little niggas sour as fuck when I'm here, but watch when I'm gone, they gon' miss me. I'ma grip with my dick when I walk. Ayy, she get wet when I talk. Ayy, our guns, they gon' spark. Ayy, I got used to the water, I swim with them sharks. Ayy, I'm straight out the bottom, not scared of the dark. Ayy, put a scope on the rifle, get hit from afar. Ayy, for my mama, we finna live large. I can't make it up, nigga, I gotta go hard. What the fuck is a father? Big thuggin' in silence, this mind over matter, bitch. Get you some money, stack up some fatty. Get to that moolah, now watch me get rich. Ho, bitch, I got 2 phones, and one of my pistols is 2-tone. I can't make it up, they gon' turn on the radio and listen to my song. I'm turned in a bitch. Them little niggas mad as a fuck and they throwin' a fit, I had ran out of luck. My mama was crying inside of the courtroom when I had spoke to the judge. This a real nigga files, and I'm thankful to God for all of the trials. From Florida to Texas, that's 1,000 some miles, I'm straight out the south. This the home of the wild. Everybody got guns and we love to get loud. Everybody's still swinging with gold in their mouth. Better watch out, cause my little nigga proud. We come from the houses made out of wood. That my North Central hood. Gotta learn to stay down, so on 10, bitch, I stood. Real talk.
Yeah, I got a crew, yeah. These the homies, yeah. And nobody knew, yeah.
Yeah, bitch, we stacking boots, we stacking Benjamins. Niggas acting hoes, niggas acting friendly now. Bitch, I'm trying to get that bread, that money on. You ain't get no bread, you can't have no fun, y'all. No, stacking bread, bitch, I'm stacking bread. Hey, hop inside the booth. You heard what I done said, yeah. Come here, pretty bitch, lay up on that bed. Come here, right after that, bitch. Come here, give me my, yeah. Hey, that ain't my flow, bro. I said, come and give me head. That bitch only fuck if nigga got some cred. Oh, now you got some cred. Oh, man. Next beat, what we got?
Ya sabes que dice, entre más cruda la carne, más dura.
Yeah. Escuché. Acabo de escuchar.
Es que una nación es que otra y está más ahora.
Come on, brother. What we on?
Ya se te pegó el güey.
Hey.
Eso es lo que pasa cuando vives en Houston.
Hey. Hey. Hold on. Pretty little bitch, she gon' slip on the what?
Good play, because Kari's gonna be the first person to get y'all two on the song.
Hey.
Tonight.
Tonight.
Yep.
What we on? Pretty little bitch, she gon' slip on the what? Hey, she gon' slip on the mop. Hey, right after that bitch, I get to that what? To that motherfucking guap. Yeah. I'm still in the city, bitch. I'm still on that block. Yeah. Hold on. Wait a little minute, you thought I was finished. Stuck in the game, did not know the scrimmage, bitch. We going all in. Go hard for my king. I don't got a car, but watch when I come up, bitch. I'ma slide in the beans. Fuck what they talking about. I still got a stick. I swear for God, we gon' pop out. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Who next? Who next? Rick,
When I was in school, I had to drop out.
Yeah.
I went got the cop, y'all get copped out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got all
Come
this money is all in my pockets. You know I got guap now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the clothes on me dripping. This lean, I been sipping. This smoke, I been smoking. Got bitches inside of my room. Now she sucking, little nigga. These bitches be hoes. Still take me to the crib and bust them down. Yeah. I just went to Jewel, got me a bust down. Yeah, with a bust net. That bitch get the busted.
Come on, brother. Zakoy, hop on that hoe, man.
Took that little bitch to Motel 6. She thought she was going to West End. No way, can't have that bitch in the motherfucking hotel suite. You
man.
already know I gotta.
They gonna hop on the next one. Yeah. Okay, look. He get happy. Yeah. Come on. Go ahead. It's your turn anyway.
Fuck it up. Straight from the trenches, young nigga had to run it up.
Guarantee every time he spit it, he gon' eat. Fire on his feet, might as well step away. Know when I come through, it's gon' be a rainy day, but we tired of rainy days. We gon' shine today, we gon' grind today, we gon' grind anyway. Yeah, hit every play like every way. Yeah, gotta get up and go grind today, every day.
Catch your nicks. I heard you over there rapping, brother. Catch your nicks.
Me?
Yo, you.
He say he ain't finished. Go ahead.
El Freeway 180, el man portando las Hermas 90. En este momento le meto como en los 90, improvisando si ves con las Jordan puestas. Entonces no te fijes porque sabes cuál es esa. Ese man es mexicano. Hermano, no me cojas. Me está ahogando.
I was hyping you up. Hey, man. Come on, Vaughn, what's up? Vaughn, where you at? Oh shit!
Here we go.
Oh
It's
shit!
either one, you or you. One of y'all go in. Okay, this one. Discuss this in
I ain't gonna say shit though. I'm gonna let y'all slide. But I'm gonna go hard though. But I'm gonna let y'all slide though.
Someone start it off.
Start it off.
Someone start it off.
Hey.
Someone wants to start it off. I said, okay then. Yeah. I'm gonna do my thing then. Yeah. I'ma kick it off like a Super Bowl. Yeah. Everybody here is stars.
Yeah, fuck what they talking about. We said we gon' pop out. Whole lot of sticks in my motherfucking highs inside of the crib. Bitch, I was 16 years old trying to hit me some leads. No cap in my rap. Fuck what they talking about. I slide through the city with my motherfucking strap. All black. You know what I'm talking about. Fuck what they talking about. Dropped that at school when I still whipping knots out.
Pop in the rappers, I'm trapping. These niggas, they know how I'm acting. These bitches, they acting. And let me get back to this whipping, this packing. Look, hey, you know, I'm coming. This shit too real for me. Yeah. And then, just like I'm savvy, this shit too trill for me. Fuck yeah, I hop on the beat and this shit too cold. Yeah. These niggas, they try me. I swear that I never fold. Yeah, these niggas, they bold. Wait, these niggas be bold. How they come to the trap and try to take all of the balls for gold.
Up it.
Steve.
Come on, hop on it. Come on.
Come on, boy. Keep that going. Keep that going.
I hope I beat him and kill it, you know I move. They call me a one and I BOG, you know that I supposed to recruit him. He play around with me, I sending them shots and I hit him like spitting his doom. And all of my niggas, they really BOG, you know just what my niggas on. Violate me, then you gone. We sending them shots and we hit him. All of my niggas ain't quitting. Spinning the block and we hit him. Leaving this mama, everyone shitting.
Everybody shit.
Everybody shit. Grandma, auntie, everybody. Come on, I see dancing. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you got it. Come on. You got it. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, run that one back. That one hard.
We might have to hop in the booth. That
might be it right there. I ain't gonna hop on that motherfucker.
For real.
Start this bitch out. We still in the city with this shit. Bitch ass nigga. You know where we at. Yeah. Tell me up a little bit on these headphones. I'm talking about turn off the lights. Lock the door. Real talk. This what we on. Yeah. The whole game with the whole mob. Yeah. Hold on. This how I'm coming. Paint struggle hustle, turn nothing to something. Man, back then, bitch, I ain't want a job. 15 years old, I just wanted to rob. No cap. Now I get on my knees and I'm talking to God, no cap. Fuck what they talking about, I said I'm gonna pop out, rock out. Just like a rock star. I'm paying no drink, I ain't sipping no walk hard. Bitch, I'm sober. Still weight on my shoulder. It big as a fuck. Fuck what they talking about, both in the bitch, now I got me some bucks. Gang, you know I'm gonna pop out. With the whole crew. Man, back then I had holes in my shoes. Hold on, I'm cow. Hold on. Keep going, keep it going. Keep it going.
Hold on. Yo. Hey, he said he's sober. Sorry, not me, boo. I'm sipping. Hold on. Sipping on walk 2. You already know young nigga just finna act foolish. You already know how I do this. Hop on the track and act ruthless. You already know I ain't getting good grades in school. You could call me stupid.
Not that stupid. Nah, he an OG. Yeah. Original genius. Yeah. Up in the pen. Yeah. Up in the pen. Yeah. Like he an animal. All of us animals. Yeah, we a savage. Yeah. When I was a kid, I drank animals. Yeah, we going to the past. We going to the past. Yeah, man, back then I was talking my dreams, they were laugh. Hey, look at them now, they all on my D, that shit sad. Hey, I was broke in the bitch, was talking to my friends, I needed a bag. I needed some Benjamins. Whip on my wallet, they see how I'm popping. Feel like I'm Biscar, cause you know that I'm popping. Wanna come stop me, bitch, but you can't. I'm smoking that good though, smoking that dank. Fuck with a white girl, snow bunny. That little pussy so stank.
Oh, okay. I think right, no.
Hey, give him time. You ready? Give him time.
I'm the same.
Pussy stain, pussy still hit it though. That shit smells like the catacombs. That shit sweet like a honeycomb. Wait, I ain't even lick it though.
My rock star. Her name ain't Victoria.
Nigga really
but you
hit the
know
picker,
I
bro.
knock her socks off. Keep it 100 before I set your fucking block off. Christian Dior, just like my niggas getting crossed off.
Damn.
That's all I got.
Damn.
Yeah, you're getting crossed off. You know he's a rock star.
Yeah.
Where you at, nigga? Hey, you at? Say, bro, go Christian Dior. She hopping my whip and explore. She wanna go around the world. I think this shit do explore. I hop in the Range Rover, baby. This is not no regular Ford. I already know what I'm on. I go to the mall when I get bored. Go to the mall when I get bored, and I get whatever I afford. She want it all. She want it all. Tell her, baby, we gon' ball. Go to the mall and don't give a fuck, baby, about what is the cost. Know I'm a dog, you know I'm a dog, baby. I fuck around, said it all. Yeah.
No, he had that.
Come on,
Had that.
Come on, now.
He had that one.
You heard that?
Okay.
He had that one.
Y'all wanna keep going on now? Y'all wanna?
We can do some more shit.
We can try some more shit.
Yeah, just keep that
But
on.
keep that one because everybody was vibing. Everybody was vibing.
I ain't lie, niggas all went dumb when they heard everybody.
Reaper, no. You need to go next. You thought no, you talking
She a
to
rapper.
everybody,
She a
but she a rapper. You need to go next.
But I'm not a rapper.
She hyping everybody else except herself.
Come on now.
I take the ball.
That's what nigga just said.
bounce it.
Nigga said you was a rapper.
I score. Ah,
I switched it.
It was just the beat. It was just the beat.
Oh, it's just the beat.
Just the beat.
Oh.
No cap. Alright, we finna start recording, y'all.
Oh shit, Reaper's in there.
And you tell a story. I've got a couple bands on me now, so I treat her poorly.
Stay as beta in there.
You don't like the beat?
I don't like the beat switching.
Run it back. Let me do it again.
That's for the games and all that stuff, but switching your game to primary on somebody else, bro. You could do it.
She got a secret, the way I knock her socks off. Keep it 100 before I set your fucking block off. Christian Dior, cause you niggas getting crossed up. My bitches wake up benchy at the Breakfast Club. Niggas fuck, niggas envy. White as cocaine, riding in the Bentley. My niggas ain't friendly. I be swerving, ballin' on nigga like Kyrie Irving. What's the wordin'? Say less, put the word in. Then I'm curving. Bad bitches, yeah, I'm curving. I don't give a fuck, I get them bucks. Like Milwaukee, ballin' like Damian Lillard. You hear me talking? I'm moonwalking like I'm MJ. These niggas don't want no fake. It's on 808 in the club and I'm on 808. She don't wanna get money on Saturday Day. She don't wanna play. She don't wanna get money, don't say today. Get the money, it's on 808.
Hey, you gotta write that, dude. Hey, he was about to go ham on that. He was about to go ham with that, dude.
You about to fuck him up, bro.
Hey. He was about to murder that beat.
Who next? Who next?
Who this? I don't know who this is.
Next person. Raise your hand if you.
Yeah.
Bond.
Just a freestyle, you know how we do it. Check. Yeah. Hop on the beat, I'ma kill it. Call me on Vaughn, I'm a villain. Homicides, yeah, we be drilling. You know that my niggas be with it. You know that we ballin', you know what we on. You know that we stocking a run. You play around with me, you gone. Hey, nigga, this just what we on. You know that I'm ballin', you know what I'm doing. You know that my niggas, they supposed to be shooting. You know that hot lead to be yo chuck. You play with me, then I'm. You know that I'm ballin' and this how I move. You know that I'm rapping, I get in the groove. You violate me, I'm gonna hit you with crumbs. I talking with chops. You violate me, then I'm spinning your block. You know that I'm busting your top. And all of my niggas, they posted right there on the block. And we be slanging that shit. Violate me, then we hit you, and then we. Hold on, they fuck up. Sending them shots and you dropping a ditch. All of my niggas, they toting. All of my niggas, they toting on switch. Hit a nigga in the space. Close casket, boosting the rate. All of my niggas, you know we don't play. Up in the pump, and you know we gon' fake. Hitting a nigga, we shooting, we bake. All of my niggas gon' dump.
Dumping the nigga right there in the lake. Fuck with no, we don't fuck with them snakes. And we can just shake and bake like we ballin' all up on the court. All of my niggas, they slicing the shit, something just like a sword. If you play with me, then you know that my niggas, they coming fast. All of my niggas, they pressing gas, moving quickly just like the Flash. And we be on your ass, and we ain't gonna let you go. I've been ballin', I've been going pro, hardcore like some fucking snow. Real shit, this is how I roll, like a cop. Niggas know I on patrol. That's just how I move. That's just what I got it. And that's just playing with it. He ate that one. Take her to the mountain.
That's Marvano.
Yeah. From the mother shit started me. This rap shit was never too hard for me. I know I'm a blind, some neck pump, bitch. If you ain't on my way, better find the sea. I'm laying it in where the lions. Yeah.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. Hey, he started off this.
From the mother shit started me. This rap shit was never too hard for me. I know I'm a blind, some neck pump, bitch. If you ain't on my way, better find the sea. I'm laying it in where the lions be. You know where I'm at, if you tired of me. But don't just need no pop. You do get the drop, better come with an armory.
My turn, I hear you in this
He was boot bombing.
What the fuck going on in this bitch? You know what's going on, man? Popping my shit like I'm diarrhea. Popping my shit like I'm diarrhea. Nigga, I'm going. Bitch, let me know when we record. I'm really coming in this shit with that hot fire. Bitch ass nigga. Still in the city. Nigga. I can't hear you. We record? Ay, still in the city, you know where I be. Still got my glizzies under the seat. Ain't even nothing that's stuffed in my pocket. Man, back then I was down, I was plotting. No, I'm not Batman, but I was robbing. Call me the trash man, I got them bags in. No, I'm not average, she get so nasty. No, I'm the man, created a plan. She wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. We tryna flip them 100 bands. Man, my boat couldn't get no grams. They say you a joke, you ain't got no money. Watch it come back when you get your funds up. One thing I learned, better keep your eyes peeled. Everything I gain, better keep your mind still. Popping my shit like I'm diarrhea. Bitch ass nigga. This shit too easy, I ain't gonna go. That shit 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Nigga, run that shit up. Hey, on God, look. Bro say he poppin' this shit like he diarrhea. If he try play, he gon' die for real. I'm in the street with a big beard. I'm in it. Oh look, run that back. Hey, bro say he poppin' this shit like he diarrhea. If he try, he gon' die for real. I do not play with these niggas, you know the nigga just packing that big steel.
Yeah, fun. Check. Yeah. I hop on the beat. Niggas don't wanna be posted right here, you know I'm in the street. Violate me, then I send them shots. You know he laying there right underneath. All of my niggas, they ballin', you know we ride. Sending them shots and he getting high. And all of my niggas, they ballin', you know we on. You know that we never hide. No, we gonna ride, no, we gonna kill. Pop a nigga like a fucking pit. Homicides, yeah, we in the city. Every day, you know we all up on the drill. Talking, yeah, we in the Murderville. All my niggas with it, yeah, we let it spill. Like some...
Then homecoming. Fuck what they time, I turn nothing to something. Hop on these beat and you know that I'm stunning. Easy as hell. Came from the bottom, I walked through some hell. Walk through the valley, a shadow of death. Popping my shit, they thought I was dead. Bitch. Hey, you know I'm coming. Straight out the motherfucking struggle. Pain struggle hustle. Put in that work, bitch, I'm building my muscle. Came from the bottom, had to go spot 'em. Fuck when they talk about, they know that I'm popping. Just like I'm diarrhea. Just like my partner said, we clutching the still for real. Bitch ass boy.
Yeah. Rolling around with 9s and 40s. 30 inside this mag, we splashing shit like Clay and Curry. Speeding on the highway, racing derby. Fuck speed limit, this VA ain't worried. I'm off of Sam Houston, I'm swaying and swerving. Nothing bizarre, I'm serving. The police get hurt, I'm duck. Oregon, bad bitch say she gon' hide my drugs from me. Told her just call my lawyer, but I know the bitch gon' ride for me. I know the bitch gon' die for me. If I say hope this FN, baby, she blowing that bitch so powerfully. She like, yeah, that shit loud to me. From the mother shit started me. This rap shit was never too hard for me. I know I'm a blight, some napalm, bitch. If you ain't on my way, better find to see. I'm laid in the den where the lions be. You know where I'm at if you tired of me. But don't just need no problem. If you do get the drop, better come with an armory. My niggas ain't going for shit. Like I'm ready, bitch, I'm ready to blitz. Get the set line wide, I don't miss. Like I'm Lynch, I don't fuck with this media shit, so don't at me. Yeah, that 40 pop shit like acne. Still thinking nigga bitch ass like Jackie. Still making plays on the field like Crabtree. Only difference is, but a nigga won't jack me. Been the realest, too real for these hate niggas in my city. I feel like the greatest nigga. I ain't new to this shit, I just brought it to you. Cause I knew when I did, I'd be famous, nigga.
Hey, that was nice. Hey, that was nice, bro.
Okay, let's see.
Lot of shit on my mental. I can say what I've been through, but I've been through a lot. Pray to my downfall, you thought I forgot. Popping my shit, bitch, you can't pop a squat. Playing with me, put a hole in your top. Then stomp on your grave in some Jeremy Scotts. Gave him my number, can't give him my heart. Stabbed in my back, he went straight to my heart. You hoes who face, I can't tell you apart. Can't be a star if you don't play your part. Remember when my car was push to start? Now my new whip is push to start. Like in the clips, know this shit can get dark. Say you up next, but I know you a art. Fucking your ex, cause I know you a mark. Bitch on my own drum, I know you gon' march. Beat in the back, and I know that it's arts. All in my DM, I know that she parched. Word in my hands, you know that it's ours. Shooting at me, it's like shooting for stars. I came with the bars, like it's 4G. Fucking a friend too. It's an orgy, my life is a movie, and you telling stories. I got a couple bands in my pants now, so I treat her poorly. Hate when they try to backdoor me. I hate when these hoes ignore me. She put her hard eyes on my story. She know that this shit could get gory. Can't tell no lies or no allegories.
Who the hell was that?
Tell me.
Tomando champaña con perras asiáticas. Toda esta oficina era de bariátrica. Quiero una hetero curiosa maniática. 9 milímetros, nada traumática. I got you bitch, nigga. Trío con su amiga. Que la folle y no la siga. Que me traiga sin barriga. Yo no quiero que me grabes porque me conocen el movimiento. Solo quiero que estés conmigo un rato. Pasando. Ahora sí. Solo te quiero follar, yo sé que eres una perra y tú me puedes fallar. Solo te quiero follar, yo sé que eres una perra y mañana otro va a dar. Solo te quiero un rato. Vengo de follar. I wanna fuck you, you're just a bitch and I wanna fuck you. Tiene un caso con para ella, quiere que la gente.
Gabriel the golden feature, nigga. Everybody verse, nigga. Everybody verse, bro. That's his name.
Oh shit, bro.
I could double my
No, that's crazy. I don't know.
What they was thinking? Slutty little bitch, can't be my weakness. Coke on the nose, middle of the night and that hoe still blinking. Fucking on Tuesdays, cut on the weekends. Niggas be real and they also be beavers. I'm feeling my bones, I'ma leave it for another brother to come through and get it. All of the praise, I never did need it. All of the hate, fuck how you feeling. Stick to my guns, just see how a nigga make millions. I ain't no regular civilian, holding your tongue. Isn't getting that shit to the ceiling. Not even a place that we from. A city that's really crawling with killers and bombs. Holding your tongue, isn't getting that shit to the
the ceiling, not even the place that we from. City that's really crawling with killers and bums. It's silly, I smoke and I cough up a lung. Pussy, yo boy, we don't do this for fun. Step of the line and we taking your funds.
That's all I got. That was nice, bro. Hey, that was nice.
And if he stacked it, that shit would have been through the roof. Who next?
Okay, who does it?
Mondo
Yeah, this shit tall.
Hey. What the fuck they was thinking?
The cat.
That hit though. What the fuck is they thinking?
Yeah, this shit tall.
This shit tall.
The captain. What's happening? Something like a boss, baby. Small scale Rick Ross, baby. You don't know my family crazy. Popping them bands on a daily. Taking them bands from the ladies. Lip gloss in the Mercedes. Play phone in the purse. Wait, take a pic first. Things like how cosmetics work. Then play with kinetic dirt. We take vacations on trains. We scream and sing for no reason. Dress game is insane. We go to games, chill in the beaches. Family is cool, we don't need no features. Come as a crew, it's time to meet you. Sometimes they monsters, can't get my seat up. But all of my daughters relax with my feet up.
Hey, 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 hey. I was in that thing, baby. I was in that thing, baby.
Hey, best verse.
Hey, I appreciate that, my dog.
What's that? What?
I appreciate
the
it.
captain.
Best verse.
The captain.
Hey.
What's happening?
What's happening is lit. The captain. What's happening?
Cause my shit like on diarrhea.
You still too hot. I dropped the mic. You still too hot.
What the best thing about
That was just a one. That was just a crowd.
Oh, wait. You heard me?
Positive energy. Yeah, yeah. Anytime I pick the pen, I get the urge to vent. Yeah, I get the urge to vent. Can't erase the past. It's within the pen. Some of it seems wide out to get it out our head. That's just a cover up. Yeah, 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 yeah. Never born a runner up. Yeah, born just running up. I ain't a murderer, but I stay gunning up in the booth. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like music. Yeah, I don't like to cuddle up. Now I got a book thing, and I like to cuddle up, yeah, yeah. We make music, then we cuddle up. You say I'm sweet, I say that's a butter up. Now you salty, legs smell the buttercup. Yeah, yeah. Enough with the sweet talk, that is foreign beat bop, yeah. Coding of the thought of change, pacify on TikTok, yeah. Jealous of the fame, yeah. Cause I'm for the beat talk, yeah. Switch up the mental, yeah, yeah. My thoughts ain't never gentle. My mind got game. My flow too keen. Yeah. Washed in game. Yeah. Hit that loud. Turn up the game. Yeah. We hit the game. Yeah. Straight up the top. Straight up the dome. You already know how did it go. I'm in the basic. I ain't a basic. Yeah, but I'm rocking the basic lies. Nah, I'm up that off brand. Yeah. I got the boots on. Yeah.